Today, we're diving into the world of home gym essentials with our 0.79-inch thick, 48 square foot exercise equipment mats, featuring 12 upgraded rubber top tiles with high-density EVA foam. This dual-layer design is perfect for protecting your floors from scratches during intense workouts, thanks to its textured rubber top and shock-absorbing EVA foam bottom. With 12 interlocking tiles measuring 24 by 24 inches each, assembly is a breeze, and the upgraded locks ensure a secure fit, so you can focus on your workout without worrying about shifting tiles. Made from premium recycled rubber, these sturdy mats are built to handle heavy machinery and protect against scratches, scuffs, and dents from weights and other workout gear. Versatile and adaptable, these mats are perfect for any space, whether it's your garage, basement, or home fitness room, and they can be easily adjusted or extended as needed. Plus, the high-density EVA foam minimizes noise and vibration for a quieter workout experience, and the waterproof feature makes cleaning a breeze. Ideal for yoga, cardio, and everything in between, these mats are your go-to solution for a comfortable and efficient home workout setup. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.